In a realm of vibrant art, Lena, an imaginative young girl, sits amidst her colorful paintings, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. A newly found golden paintbrush touches the canvas, giving birth to a small red ball that defies reality. The red ball springs to life, popping off the page in a shower of golden dust. As Lena, marveling at the magic, rushes to secure her secret. In her bedroom, Lena sits on her bed, anticipation sparkling in her eyes as she grasps the magical brush. Frustration clouds her face as the brush fails to conjure a puppy, a bicycle, or a rainbow, its vibrant glow now a dull, lifeless gray. "Why won't you work?" Lena slumps, the inert brush heavy in her hands as she whispers, "I should have shared you." Under the old willow tree, Lena and Tommy wield the golden brush, painting a vibrant slide into existence. "See? Sharing really does make things better," Tommy exclaims, as they conjure swings, a merry-go-round, and a trampoline with sweeping strokes, drawn by the dazzling light. Children flock to the playground, their laughter filling the air as Lena and Tommy watch, hearts full. "Way better," Lena replies, her smile radiant.